Why are the volume buttons not working on Apple TV remote? This usually happens because Apple TV isn't set up to control your TV or sound system. Common reasons and fixes. 1. HDMI CEC is turned off. Apple TV needs HDMI CEC to control your TV's volume. Fix: turn on HDMI CEC in your TV settings. 2. Volume control is set incorrectly. Apple TV may not know which device to control. Fix: go to Settings, Remotes and Devices, Volume Control. Select Auto or TV via IR. 3. Using a soundbar or AV receiver. The remote may not be programmed for it. Fix: set volume control to receiver via IR and relearn buttons. 4. Remote needs repairing. Bluetooth connection issues can affect volume control. Fix: repair the remote by holding back plus volume up for 5 seconds. 5. Software glitch. A tvOS bug can break volume control. Fix: restart Apple TV and update to the latest tvOS.